If you want to apply to Sol Plaatje University for 2027, the application is completed online through the University Application Portal. Applications usually open around April and close between September and October, depending on the program. Competitive qualifications can fill up before the final closing date, so applying during the first few weeks is safer than waiting near deadlines. Before opening the application portal, prepare all required documents first. Most students get stuck during uploads because documents are missing or unreadable. You will usually need a certified ID copy, your latest grade 12 results or matric certificate, and proof of residence if requested. International students must also prepare passport and permit documents before applying. Save your documents as clear PDF files if possible. Avoid taking dark photos with another phone because the system may reject blurry uploads. Try to keep file names simple, for example, ID copy or grade 11 results. Some application portals fail when files contain special symbols or extremely long file names. You also need a working email address and cell phone number before creating your account. Use your own details, not a parent's or friend's information. The university sends OTP codes, application updates, and admission offers using the email and number linked to your profile. Many students lose access to their application simply because they entered the wrong email during registration. One of the most confusing parts for students is the APS score requirement. APS stands for Admission Point Score, and universities calculate it using your best matric subjects. For example, if you get level 6 for English, level 5 for mathematics, level 5 for physical sciences, and level 4 for geography, those levels are added together to calculate your APS score. Most universities do not count life orientation fully, or may count it differently depending on the program. That is why students sometimes think they qualify when they actually do not. If a course requires an APS of 32 and your calculated score is 27, the system may reject your application automatically before it reaches faculty review. When applications open, go to the official Sol Plaatje University website, www.spu.ac.za, and open the online application portal. Create your profile using your ID number, names, email address, and password. Write your password down immediately, because many students forget their login details after applying and later struggle to track their application status. After creating your account, you will enter your school and academic information. Enter your subjects and marks exactly as they appear on your report card. Do not estimate marks or round percentages up, because universities compare your application against official final results later during verification. The next section allows you to choose qualifications or programs. Read the admission requirements carefully before selecting courses. Some programs require mathematics instead of mathematical literacy, while others need specific subjects like physical sciences or accounting.
Students often waste choices applying for courses that their subjects do not support.
After selecting your qualifications, upload all required documents into the correct upload sections. Do not upload your ID where results are required, or combine unrelated files into one document. Many applications remain incomplete, simply because documents were uploaded into the wrong categories, even though everything appeared submitted. Before clicking Submit, review every section carefully. Check your ID number, spelling of names, subjects, marks, and qualification choices. After submission, save your student number or reference number immediately. Take a screenshot if necessary, because you will need that number whenever you contact admissions or reset your account later. After applying, you can log back into the portal to track your application status. Statuses like pending usually mean your application is still being reviewed, while incomplete often means documents are missing or unreadable. Some students ignore status updates for weeks and only discover problems after applications have already closed. If you plan to stay in university residence, check residence application dates separately, because accommodation applications may not happen automatically with academic applications. Some universities require separate residence forms, and late residence applications can leave students accepted academically but without accommodation space. Students applying for funding must also submit a separate National Student Financial Aid Scheme application. NSFAS does not activate automatically after university application. Many students misunderstand this and only realize later that they never applied for financial aid, even though they already received university admission. Avoid applying on the final day because application portals often become slow or unstable when thousands of students try submitting at once. OTP delays, failed uploads, login errors, and frozen pages become more common near deadlines. Submitting early gives you time to fix problems before the system closes permanently.